The first step is to get the badminton poles out of the court floor closet, which are found right here. You're gonna want to get the black ones, not the red ones. You need 4 of them. Then you wanna make sure these gold holes in the court are flipped up, so then you can place the pole into them. Okay, so you wanna take one end of the net and pull it up and over here in this little groove, and then you wanna pull it all the way down and hook it on to these hooks. These also, you turn them to the left to make them loose and right to tighten them up. Then you wanna come all the way to the other side where you will grab the other half of the rope, and you wanna pull this hook all the way down here. And there you go, now you have successfully set up a badminton net.